Hey guys, welcome to my second video on this channel. Since it is October 5th, 2021 and Windows 11 has been released, I'm going to be upgrading to Windows 11. Now, the normal way to upgrade to Windows 11 would be to go to Windows Update and check for updates over here. And you might get a prompt saying upgrade to Windows 11, but it depends if your PC gets the thingy upgrade thing. And so I have it saved in File Explorer. Okay, so different ways to do this. You can use an ISO. You can use the Sun Valley installer, or you could use Media Creation Tool Windows 11. So what I'm going to use is actually Windows Sun Valley installer. So yes, and this is good news. This PC meets the minimum system requirements to install Windows 11. Please note, system requirements to enjoy some Windows 11 features and run some apps may exceed the Windows 11 minimum requirements. Some Windows 10 features aren't available in Windows 11. For more info, see device specifications to install blah blah blah. Okay, so they really like Windows 10. They like it so much that even when Windows 11 is released, they're still saying stay on Windows 10. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to accept it. So it's saying it's fine to keep using your PC. I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to go downstairs and so I can download it quicker, but it usually takes very long to download it upstairs because our internet. Anyways, see ya once it's installed.